Health history forms. Why do we have them? What good are they? Find out all these answers and more. Hello everyone. Welcome back to the Massage Mentor channel. My name is Aaron Signerowitz. I had a bunch of stuff that I wanted to do in this video. However, I have recently gotten to a discussion on Facebook about what to put on client intake forms, why are they important, and who should be filling them out. So that's what we're going to talk about today. Before I get into that though, if you're new to this channel, please hit that subscribe button below. And if you have any questions, please put that in the comments below as this video is going on. Just a reminder before we do get into this health history form debate, don't forget Small Business Saturday is coming and also Black Friday. If you haven't started your marketing campaign, you still have time. I don't know what you're waiting for, but definitely get on that because you're running out of time. So let's talk about health history forms. Why are they important? So they're important for two reasons. One being the business side of things, two being a CYA thing. Business-wise, it helps provide great marketing information so you can get their address, their phone number, or their email address so that you can do those mailers, whether it be an email campaign, a text campaign, or just a standard US mail. So that's always good. Also on that general information, you can find out who referred them. You can find out their occupation. That opens the door for probing questions. It also will give you some insight on where you should be massaging or directing your attention. They'll tell you what their problem areas are, but I can tell you that if you fix something they didn't know was broken, they're going to come back to you and be amazed that you even knew that was going on. So that's kind of the basics for the first page of the health history form, what I like to include. Also, when was your last massage? I also like to include if they've had a massage before and how long ago. That way it kind of helps you with pressure and how your intake's going to go. Because if it's their first time, you're going to give them a lot more information than if this is something that they do monthly. What I like to put on the health history form as far as their health history and what I think is helpful. The second page of my health history form is questions where they can write underneath as far as what's going on, whether it's an injury or neck stiffness, say, and how they did it. Also, I like to put down if they had any surgeries, if they could write those down and the dates, just so that we're on the same page. The third page is just as far as diseases are concerned. They can check various diseases that they have had or still have. They can check if they have had cancer or currently going through cancer treatment, if they're pregnant, how far along they are. These are all very important questions, especially if you're not certified to do work on specific types of people. At the very bottom of my health history form is a list for medications. Obviously, that's important to know if any of those medications are taking or contraindicated. Also, I like to know if they have any allergies and to what. So that will help if they want an aromatherapy, but they're allergic to lavender. It's, not going to happen. So it's always good to know what they're allergic to and what medications they're taking. The final page of my health history form is the disclaimer, basically stating that this massage is not sexual in nature. It's meant to be therapeutic. If by chance they're acting inappropriately or if they feel uncomfortable, either side can end the session at any time. They will be charged full price for them. And also, if they did not disclose an injury or ailment and we make it worse, it's not our fault. And then I have them sign and date that. Now, with me stating all this, it's very important that you get the client to fill it out themselves. Or if not, that they at least sign it after you go through it with them. Some people, they forget their glasses, or they have trouble with technology if you have it on a tablet or some other electronic device. So I don't think it's a problem to fill it out for them, but make sure at the very end of the health history form that you note that, and you also have them sign and date it at the bottom. Well, now that you're an intake form genius, go out there, create your health history forms, go out with confidence, start making that money. If you like this video, hit that like button. If you have ideas for future videos or questions, put that in the comments below. If you're new, hit that subscribe button. I appreciate you all for watching. We'll see you next time.